Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a review on the IG lashes from Baddie D. They just came out with these lashes, I think the 16th, and this is how they look right here. So let's see how this ones look. I'm just gonna grab my glue using the Kiss lash adhesive glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the band. You know what I forgot to do, you guys? I forgot to do mascara and prep my lashes for the lash real quick. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in already. I'm kind of nervous. I want to see if I'm gonna like them or not. That's the first lash. Of course, like I told you guys, it's really natural. I don't know if I like them as much as the Saucy and the footwear ones. Oh yeah, fuck, I keep forgetting to put mascara. By the way, you guys, if you guys want a makeup tutorial on this look, I will link it down below. I use Old Drugstore on this makeup look, so go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so this is the IG lashes. They are cute, I'm not gonna lie. They are not my go-to. This is how the packaging looks like. I feel like I never show you guys the packaging. It has like a holographic on the sides, and then it says IG, and then it's light pink, and then it says IG again, and then on this side it says Baddie D. And also when you open up the package that they give you a little sticker. I will show you guys, but I usually put them on my door. And then from the inside, this is how it looks. And then in here it has the name of the lash, and then this is what you pull to pull out the lashes from the box, like this. So I added bottom lashes, mascara pretty much. Do I think they're cute? Yes, all the Baddie D lashes that I've had are cute, but some of them are my favorite, and then some of them are like my okay. And the IG lashes are cute. They remind me of the Instaho, just because the Instaho are very natural as well, but the Instahos are a little bit more smaller, and these ones are a little bit more wispier and more separate, as you guys can see. So yeah, you guys, would I think they're worth it? Yes I do, just because if you like a person that has more of a natural taste, this lashes will be your go-to. Another thing is my eyes. People have different type of eye shapes. As you guys can see, like my eye has like, it's not a big lid, but it's not like a hooded eye either. So for hooded eyes, I feel like these lashes will be bomb as fuck. For small eyes, they will be bomb as fuck as well. But yeah, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to keep watching more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.